Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot. Place a trivet, pour 1 cup of water, and arrange eggs in a single layer. Seal the lid and set high pressure for the desired time. Use quick release, then plunge eggs into an ice bath for 5 minutes to halt cooking. Tap and roll gently to crack shells, then peel under running water for best results. I will show perfect timing and texture tips for consistent results every batch. Choose 5 minutes for creamier yolks and 8 minutes for fully set yolks. Remember to factor in egg size and altitude if needed. Use a quick release to prevent overcooking and move eggs into an ice bath immediately. Cooling stops residual heat, firms the white, and keeps yolks bright. These few simple steps prevent green rings and rubbery whites. Quick recommendation and a friendly nudge. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more helpful kitchen tips. On another note, a book I recommend is The Simple Path to Wealth because better money habits make home cooking feel even more rewarding and relaxed. It's a great companion for anyone saving on groceries or meal prepping. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Peeling and storing hard-boiled eggs can be surprisingly easy with a simple method. Gently crack shells and peel under running water to loosen the membrane and keep whites intact. For storage, place peeled or unpeeled eggs in an airtight container with a damp paper towel to prevent dryness. Keep them in the fridge and label the container with the date so you know when to use them within a safe time frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.